Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is healthy and happy. Alright, I'm back on behalf of Easy Profit 100. I've got quite a bit of calls. And a lot of people want to know, do they have to actually purchase the postcards for Easy Profit 100? Okay, so that's what I want to talk about real quick. They want to know, do they have to purchase the postcards to make the program work? So, you're landed here because you're looking for a way to make some money from home. This channel is for affiliate marketing for people that's looking for ways to make money online, and I show you different opportunities and how you can do that. Easy Profit 100 is a program I've been a part of for 3 years. It's been around for 7 years. It's a direct mail program. Okay, it's a one-time $149 to get started. No monthly fees. It's a direct mail program, but it includes a website, a back office. You're going to get 120 leads to put on your postcards to get started. Okay, so I've been getting calls saying, hey, well, I want to join this, but do I really need to buy the postcards, or do I have to buy? You don't have to, guys. If you want to market it online, you can do that because you have a website. You have the link. You have a website just like what you're looking at right here. Okay, so it will do all the selling and telling for you, as well as the owner. His name and number is on the website, and your name and number is going to be on the website. So if someone wants to contact you guys, they can do that. Okay, so you can market this online, and I want to show you real quickly. I do that as well. Okay, I have several capture pages I've created. I'm in 2 marketing systems. I have 2 marketing systems, but I'm going to show you this one right here, the Conversion Pros. Okay, I created this page. Some of you may have seen this before, and I can replicate this page over and over and over and over. So I created a page, and I send traffic to that page. Okay, as you can see, the whole page. Now, I did not mention the word postcard on here, if you noticed. Okay, because I'm sending traffic, and it's a solo ad. Okay, so I don't want people to have the preconceived notion about postcard marketing or anything like that. I simply want to pique their interest by saying, you know, I have a 7-year proven system. Okay, so as you can see right here, the ad copy needs to be attractive. So I'm stating that this is a 7-year proven simple system. Okay, step-by-step system. And it pays you basically $100 in your mailbox. Okay, and it says there's no internet marketing required. So that, most people can resonate with that. So in their minds, okay, it's a 7-year system. Okay, so that's solid in their mind. So anyway, a page like this is what you want to have, a capture page where you're asking for at least the name and the email. Okay, at least the name and the email, or just the email. Okay, but I'm asking for the name and the email. Okay, so what I did, and I do often, is I run traffic to a page like this. So for Easy Profit 100, I ran traffic to this page. Okay, and I used the Conversion Pros to create this page. Okay, now I'm going to show you one of the traffic sources. I'm going to leave the link below for one of the traffic sources that I use. And if you're in Easy Profit 100, and once you get started with that traffic source and you have questions on some recommended people that you should use, I can give you that as well. Okay, but I ran traffic to this page. Okay, and let me show you some of the results that I received. Okay, the Conversion Pros. Okay, even up through 2:07 a.m. you know, a lead came in, and as you can see in the process, people are actually knows itself. Okay, so as you can see, somebody was a trial member in the Conversion Pros, and they upgraded. When they do that, that's a $25 commission for me. Okay, right here, Conversion Pros paid out on Friday. Okay, I've been in this program since 2016. Okay, so I just want to show you how you can market the Easy Profit 100 online. Okay, so that's what, you know, I've been asked all week. So you can still join at $149 If you don't want to order your cards right now, you don't have to, guys. You can market this online. I've been talking about that for weeks now. I was showing you guys another marketing system as well I'm a part of, and I'll put that link below too. But this particular campaign, I created a page and I ran traffic, and this is what I received. Okay? So yes, you can market it online, but you need to have a marketing system to capture your leads information. Okay? And then I also have a follow-up email series that everybody that entered their information, I have emails that's going to go out on my behalf. Okay? For Easy Profit. Okay? And the marketing system. And then I can also send emails from the Conversion Pros. Okay? So it's my all-in-one systems personally to my list. And they will go into my autoresponder that I built for Easy Profit 100. Okay? So yes, guys, you can market this online as well. Okay? You just have to have a marketing system, an email series. So if you join me, you will get the email series, the autoresponder. Join me in the Conversion Pros. Okay? And you'll get that as well. So yes, you can do that. You send traffic over to this page and you get these results. These leads just come in because you have great ad copy. Okay? You got to have some good ad copy for them to resonate with, to make them want to put in their name and email address. So this is some of the results that I've received thus far. These leads are coming in. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link below for the source I used, and I use them often, and I will be happy to help you with that in selecting some great vendors from this website. Okay, once you get started with me. All right, guys, that's all I've got for you today. Go ahead and join me in Easy Profit 100. Get started today. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and then also make sure you click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay? Go ahead and like the video, and contact me if you have any questions. I'll see you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.